Yes, my people, una well done o. Anyone una dey, I greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hail everybody. I hail the full house. Nigerians wey not dey Nigeria, wey not dey around, wey dey abroad, wey dey Ghana, wey all of una wey not dey Nigeria again. I hail all of una, especially the Edolites. The world of una take support Obaseki. The ones wey dey London, the one wey dey Germany, the one wey dey Italy, the one wey dey France, the one wey dey the whole of Europe, America. All of una do well. All of una do well. Abeg, more help me dey send it an amigo. Una dey tell am say make shame on him. Shame on him. That rotty Obolo, big shame on him. Where they carry him mouth. They sort Obaseki. They sort our own governor. This man forget say Governor Obaseki senior is Izeyamu. I been not watch Oba Palace. Where Izeyamu say, my senior brother. Even me, I shock. And upon all these things, they see they go campaign, in sudden. So I want to thank all of you who take support. I want to understand one thing. Nothing lasts forever. You don't keep insulting people that God has made a born leader. Obaseki, Shaibu, they are born leaders. You don't know Shaibu they lead. They are born leaders. They are born to be leaders. You don't know whether they lead. So I see no reason why one person can't come go say now he can be the. I don't understand. I don't must move forward. He not guy he want be. He must move forward. He must move forward. So my people don't understand what I talk to. Mona say shame don't there so many people body. Mona ask no one go now. How they feel now? Now you put your team out, they say they sing. Now the song they sing before, man, I want they remix them for them. Izeyamu is a loser. APC is a loser. They go come Maleke. Then once it come out, Izeyamu is a loser. APC is a loser. He no see Richard. He come out again. He see call the other one. As they take the gather there, all of them they open their mouths. They talk papa. Maleke waka around the whole Benin on Thursday. Nowhere we not follow for Benin. Ah, now you the contest for governor. They don't give una money. Now they waka. Where till you be? Where you they find? Where you they find? Or someone like they a position. He give you position. Your mama burial, they're doing almost like state burial. What do you they find? Your grandmama burial, I don't know where you go do that time. What do you they find? You as a leader, you go also time, go they fight. What do you they find? Why do they talk about television say Maleke go also time? I was ashamed. What do they drag? This small life, just this small life. So small world where many things they happen. The friend you trust today, if he betray you tomorrow, this small world, what do you they drag? Don't be saying you they contest now as governor. I know you that they drag. One way contest, you not win. For it to stop, you hide yourself for his house. You may be leader of party, you open your team and they talk. Okay, now they come to threaten me. Then how they fear. Okay, if I die now, what you go be again? Ona bini say onu gwan onu na weri ekwerien we no tu le we na the one cry come o most of us no even know this thing. We know wise this like this now make all of us wise me not understand when I take day for this video. One understand what this will not be for one person, not for everybody. And anybody way they say na me be it target you go die before your time. I don't tell you the truth. You go die before your time. I don't tell you the truth. Una open a man and they make okay now una come feel now. Now campaign, no need to insult anybody. Una wise now election don't finish now. No campaign after election. No campaign. When I go court, and the next one I want plan with that. If I want advice. Pastor Zagi say Yamu may not follow all those things. May not waste money again. Because they mislead the man. Person will get focus. Una can't change and now they give him what you want, tell him what you want to do. Una not watch debates. Una not sit down, una not watch the debates. Una never watch. When I go back, go watch debate. When I hear where person they talk, when I hear the way governor they talk, the way they sound. When I check whether all the questions where they ask is there, I'm going to see one answer. Debate na quarrel. Okay, talk. Give me your what you want to do. Talk what you want. This one talk what you want to do. Not be debate. Okay, why TVC invited? No, not hear well about they talk. Now see reasonable human being. The one they repay director that day, they say we go know the story on Monday. In a shame now, he never even go post store now. He never feel post store now to know the story. I don't understand now. Una see the way the thing they transparent. Una go even bring money come, they go collect it for now, they go for now, they do it for now. They go even beat to bring the money come. For where for vote for I'm give to the for upper. Me. I mean, lead people wait, flog the people who bring money come out. They flog that money for their hand. I mean, lead them, they collect that money for their hand. Because now everybody, that's a rubbish they can do for them. You want to vote buying. If they do this election 20 times, one understands, Obata go win 20 times. 20 times and they want to do one. He go win 20 and the more when they do election, the more the margin go the high. So meanwhile, I want your advice, Pastor Sagi say, brother, not your brother. No go court, no worry. Yeah, no worry. Now who advertise you now you're giving a problem. And the advertiser now giving a problem. You understand my point now? Neighbor, waiting again. The gas where I buy that day don't finish again. Wait for the buy the gas. Not be anywhere I say I go buy. How about neighbor, domestic gas shop, all those kind of advert that year. Now we pass to so. Now you go buy for domestic gas shop now, it can't finish. After 3 years, now you don't have the best. Because you don't be domestic gas shop again. May they go where they forfeit the buy. Not an error now. So people don't use to domestic gas shop. So we are used to Obaseki. That 8 years all back. All bani. All wakakabo back. So Maleke, youngest landlord. The one we go mission without Piccolo. All of una, all the comedians, but this Benin, all the comedians where did this Benin, where come out. Una see go bring Idris come. Una they so una endorse. It is a talk, they call it rap that day. My brother, you know, I don't say you fair rain. Every rain must end. Rain the fall since so. You don't stop now. That's what you want to be. Then you leave this moment rule now. You now Lagos. Then you will see Nigeria jaga. You see again now. That time you see Nigeria jaga and this time you want jaga pass. Then you repeat your song again. People go buy and you say I felt talking before Nigeria jaga. Now you don't jaga. You go sing now. If you don't feel rap, people they will help you rap or will clap put for you. Not play music. I don't wonder, oh Jesus Adukari, we make Nigeria artists get respect when 50 Cent come. And you can't do this one so. I shame. If 50 Cent they see like this, you go to shame for yourself. The other day Timaya they curse you. Yeah? All of they insult you. I won't hear say Two-Face, even fed there, you fed your top Two-Face. My brother, wake up and leave all these people. Because they rob you for what you're not supposed to be your own now. I don't know, Maleke can't work with that. They don't lose now. Woefully they lose. Woefully. 2 hours night I not sleep. I wait. Now we defend Oshomole vote. We from upper. We go and we go sleep there. When they carry all the believers carry come, they cannot go custom office. We go there. Well, in the next morning, we'll enter estate, go see my auntie. We want to go bath. When my auntie see us, he shocked me, my younger brother, with the US man. He shocked. So, now, this night, this early morning, whenever they come, we don't even tell them where they come. Now come. That's the way tell them, say, one more vote. He change them. No go for that reason. He change them. Now they wise. Now those old men want they chop money for this country. We the young boys don't wait for me to chop the money. Oh God, one a day. As soon as we saw how they find any political appointment too. I don't need that. Well, the one I want for SIB say our boys where they still so where they collect what is supposed to be their own, so may they give them work. Once those people are working, then light what they find, they come steady. Our road good. My brother, what did they suffer about this life before ever since? Now road and water, road and light too. And this man don't they do road. Now not say Okabe road. When I watch my YouTube channel, not so Kaberu where I video. I never see Erediawa the way they support for Erediawa. If not being a rubbish, they do the effect of Erediawa now. I don't watch go Area roads. I don't go PZ. I don't go Boro Magba. I don't pass the Bookman. I be on all those small corner I want to talk. No, she's a savior. When I use wisdom now, I beg you. All of them I don't lose. Obaseki, you are a great man. Edo must move forward, iyo. He must move forward, iyo. Forward ever, iyo. Backward never, iyo. Who said God must not win? God must win. My great governor, I greet you.